Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. This is Andrew Hicks, your favorite and only director of technology for the Ubaldini Group. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of our open house system. It seems to be working pretty great. People are booking open houses, they're adding their listings on there for other people to claim. So I just want to go over it a little bit more with you, just to show you how easy it is and how you can go start getting clients today. Open houses are the best way to get face to face with people who are highly motivated, they have high intent. If they're looking around online and they find a house that they want to go look at, and on a Saturday or Sunday or whatever day it is, they make the decision to wake up early, put clothes on, get out of bed typically before then, uh, drive all the way over to somewhere, walk into a house and look around. And if they don't have an agent, they're not represented, that's pretty high intent. That takes a lot. It takes a lot to get me out of bed on a weekend early. It doesn't work very well. So those people are really motivated. It's the best way to get business quickly and business that's ready within the next month or 2 months, sometimes that same month. So definitely take advantage of it if you're struggling with getting clients. It's the best way because 90% of consumers or people um, go with the first agent that they're face to face with, not necessarily the first agent that emails them or calls them. Face to face is really the best because you don't have to be the very best agent. You just have to be the first one to get face to face with them. So if you ain't first, you're last. So I'm going to show you the open house system here. So this is the new Ubaldini Group app. So to get to the open house system, you just tap on open house down at the very bottom. You can see right down there, it'll load up the open house system. Now, if I want to choose a listing to do an open house for of any of the available listings that I'm able to, I just tap on choose listing. It's going to give me a list of all of the open houses that people have added on here, or all the listings that people have added on that they want someone to host an open house for. So if it's on here, they want you to claim it and host an open house. So let's say if I want to do this one up in Weeki Wachee, sounds good. It's pretty up there. I just tap on it one time, it brings up all the rest of the information. So I can see that it's that the home is vacant, so feel free to hold the open house any day or any time. Awesome. She's wanting it held open on the 4th. So if I want to do this one, all I have to do is just put in my details here. And then all I have to do is hit confirm open house. That will claim the open house for me. And once once I claim that, it's going to send me an email, and the listing agent is going to be copied on that email with all the information for it. I can work out any other details that I need to from there. So yeah, really, you just click on any of these that you want to hold an open house for, claim it, and you're all set. If you want to add your listing to be held open or to show up on that list for people to claim, all I have to do is click on enter a listing, and then I just enter in the details for my listing, click on submit, and that will show up directly inside of here so other people can claim it. Pretty easy, straightforward. And I hope y'all get a lot of use out of it. It's pretty great.